Share this video. Breaking news. Dominion. Me and Dominion who find pass beauty competition. Voila. Drop your comment on the comment section. Me and Dominion who find pass. If I like be there. If I like Dominion wa KD. Voila. Hello. Oh, tutu na waye bisire. Hello. Share this video. TV swag. Wagyu, man. You know, Wagyu. Yeah, that's right. There you go. Dominion. Madam Eyelash. Alpha. I'm a case. Hell. See your early morning disgrace. Go bring my bunny at the Ruge. Go down and kill get the hell. Go down and kill get the hell. Dominion, don't come. First time I want to come out this year. That is bring your picture to come out. You are your picking. Oh. Make una call listen to the shame and disgrace we enter Dominion Ake body. When I heard the talk, when I heard talk about this small boy Ake, many person start that. Now go here now. I'm gonna call that woman, Grace family. Make she go sit down. But now I want to talk, so now let me call it the bunker. See, I was to be the way. Asaboro, we look alike. I'm my Nigerian sister. Oh God. We look alike. Me and Dominion look alike. But I don't know to face a lash. My own lash, but it makes sense passing you. You know the best I can for face. Shank no face. Oh. Hello? All right. All right. If you watch from Facebook, join me on YouTube. I bet my name, pin the link down, pin the YouTube link down. On YouTube now for see us where we're now. I'm going to see everything about Dominion. One play the video, one play the video for YouTube channel. Eh? You see, I pass the video. Now let that can go blow me for your show. Me don't think say I be Dominion. Huh? Share this video, guys. Our Damuri. No be lie. Oh, no, yeah.
Andare al ristorante costa, desideri, ma ci vuole troppo e la pizza a volte tiepida. Meglio la nostra bella Napoli appena sfornata.
Ispirata alla tradizione napoletana con corni...
Share the video. Dodo Dominion. Pate Dominion re. Non total. Pate Dominion re o. E popi wa no. E Dominion ne popi wa tiere. Non do ria gitu tako. I will not have a VIP seat you to me. He went oh.
What they be our one now? I got no piano. When no, I got when I'm a coco. When no, then I can
He went.
Oh well, on that see I did not
Hello. Eddie, I like sorry, my organo. Or sorry, Dominion. Eddie. Don't be smart, you. Either if you're going. You might have one original one. Straight you alone. I fake you. And I'm with the original man. I'm asking cook. What? All right, man. All right. For those of you watching me from Facebook, join me on YouTube channel. Let's go there without wasting much time because I'm not going to spend time. You understand? This to me issue with the chop on small. As with the chop on Facebook, that's how I go to chop on YouTube talk. But understand? It's time. It's a week of disgrace for Dominion and iye-eki. Because the confession we happened yesterday for TikTok, I screen recorder. You understand? Yes, I screen recorder. Dominion, if it's maybe you know go reach my table. I was there. I screen record the girl, the woman, when she did talk. All right, from Facebook, let me leave you guys now and join me on TikTok, on YouTube. Join me on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube, Umenwan TV. So if you know, say you never share this Facebook, but you are sharing now. Make other people for seeing. Dominion and iye-eki, their yansh don't open. Disgrace don't enter their body right now. No, say this is now. This is small picking. Don't take away the body. This war. The stand just the look on. The day one play come aside now. We are with. She's just kind of the wrong. Same on disgrace don't enter your body. No. Do dominion, do rima. Do dominion, do rima. Shame on disgrace, she don't enter your body, do rima. Do miu, do rima. Otuto nara ye bisire o, do rima. Do rima. Otuto nara ye bisire o, do rima. Do rima. All right, guys, see you guys from YouTube. Okay. What for national peace to reign. Wonderful. Eh? All right, guys, share this video. Share the video. When I share this video, I'm gonna copy. Do rima. Do mi do rima. Do mi do rima. Do mi do rima. A dominion do mi. Like this video, guys. Click on the like button. Sharply as the hot very. Tap. Click on the like button. Let's go, guys. Let's continue share. Let's continue clicking on the like button. Let's click on the like button. Greetings to you all watching this broadcast live and direct. Cynthia, I must greet you. Amazing blessing. I greet you. Imade Tracy, you are blessed. God's will. I must greet you. Mommy C. With a give you chance. Juju love, I greet you. All dear family TV. May they give you chance to what a pretty sugar. I must greet you with better style. Sandra, I greet you with better style. I must also talk. the sky princess of Jehovah, God Almighty. I greet you with better style. Our top bay, Saguero, who are tough for national peace to region. Rosalie, Ikbonsa, we'll give you a chance. The rest you. Please share this video, guys. Mommy, Sweet Mother's Prayer Ministry. You for one of Shaganisho. Our top bay, you get out for a blue water. All of my people, what I'm saying about that war. On the normal grounds, these two people gonna see. So this Mama King. On the normal ground, they not reach where I talk to. You understand? That's the truth. Don't wait till okay. You get what the person they big the past. That's the reason why I see all these why they insult my enemy, they insult my wife. I know I started because they're not rich. You understand? But Raymond, I greet you because they're not rich. That's the reason why I don't really reply. They only talk. You know, until this shame and disgrace another day. Not the reason why I want to talk about this shame and disgrace. The last time I talked to this guy, this particular boy, so this small boy. Last time I talked to this small boy now, when he talked to me anyhow, when he insult me anyhow because of he want to defend Monica, which is their godmother. You understand? So let me show the video go give this person with the like me so. All right, so Dominion, shift loser. I don't see you now, idiot on your own. Your husband on your best side. Both of you have a bunch of illiterate. So let's listen to this woman when he confess. So this one.
They talk say, Ake, they like you. Ake, my grace, my husband, they like you. You know the shame. What till you they do like they come outside because they like women? What till you they do Dominion? Your husband say not they give her to toe. Why no go outside? Go the family. Dominion. That thing where you two say you keep me want to beat you now. Make they bring all they come outside. Me want to bring all of them out. Me go beat you now. Make they bring all of them they come outside. I'm ready for you now with my full chest. If you never learn, just start now. As you not get shape for body. Grace, so can you imagine this idiot Dominion? Ever since good 4 months, we not the talk. Oh, mona hear what happen. We not the talk. Now my own idea. This idiot wait they see for years so. He just sit down one day. Oh, I don't know what I do this woman. He just call me for phone. He say Grace. He be like say my husband don't they like you. Now say if your husband they like me, then tell your husband may not like me again now. Now Ake can't toss me. Now see I no agree Ake I don't that man. Ake. Now Ake can't toast. Forget that one whether this thing is not conji or whatever. I don't know say I don't send requests. They will be this one. Not the kind they bring people come up. Oh. Who be this one? I'm not girl. The time when I tell you say I call you Dominion Kia Dominion Toto. I call
people come up again, gonna distract you.
Mommy, no. I'm not gonna bring anybody call up again. I can't tell them this Dominion where you they see so. You just run come outside. I see say Grace, my husband just they like you. Now I can't tell Dominion, say Dominion. Now today you know say your husband, if they like me, I be. But when I can't tell you, say your husband, they toast me. Wait till you they do. Wait till you talk. You come outside and say, na prank, oh. Na prank. My husband, we jam me, my husband, you prank you. That toast wait toast you not be real. Not be real, but you come my WhatsApp after 2 weeks again, come tell me say your husband dey fall in love for me. The day when we meet for Ajebo party, where your husband even open mouth, they tell me, say he not dey comfortable since wey see me. I beg juju for body. Dominion, not be waiting you carry. I carry. As you not fit take care of your toto, so when your husband dey fed toto up and down. Now me send a message. Dominion. Now me send a message. Dominion, what till they use your toto, they do why I can say you know they give her toto. What till you use that too? Now he complain because he say you know they give her toto, you know they give her rest of night, you know they let her they do okay. Uwe dan umuragbon. He say you know they let her they get rest of night. I can't even the pity at that period. He said anytime when he call me, now they get joy. He needs woman. Now as you can see, I tell that man no. If you need woman, discuss it with your wife. Say you need another wife. Not come they tell me. Not be me what come carry wife give you tomorrow. They go say Grace carry wife give you. Now only your husband now use his hands. They go another girl WhatsApp. Say he need toto. Since he not see toto for Jenny, he say he need Nigeria toto. Now he carry in hand go the girl WhatsApp.
Come on for me, make I see big belly. Eko better. May I see eko better. For one picking. For one picking. One picking. See eko bebe. Tete. See you of eko better. For only one picking. What you use belly do? Dominique, why eko yahoo? Why you call Yahoo Dominicia?
See, more na the year story. As the story tell Apple, now you're the gist to now so the story. Now. Before you know, Dominion call your husband for phone. He said, and Grace, you can't defend now be ne wemu. Grace work it gualo. As I told her, so the conference the court together. When I tell her, say your husband not they let me rest. Say I got that man. Because say okay, he want put your husband for the court to know whether not truth. Now I got to tell your husband say, hey Grace, where he gualo now. He say because he don't say whether they quarrel. Your husband I not they finish for Grace body. Now say your husband say I want pack come up for where I do. Fair house for me for Baya. Fair house for me for Baya. I'm not say, me fair house for you. He said, Dominion don't ever come up for her. He the fair house. Now I say, really? You serious? Don't worry, I'll follow you find the house. But I'll let your wife know where they go on. No. He said, no problem. Now I say, how you want to they find the house if you dare your one, you cut it, they look your picking. He said, that will not be problem. So for me, I see the house for her. Now I say, okay, no wahala. Now, Koko Dominion. I say, better person, why be oh? Why take the like better person? Now Koko Dominion say, your husband not they let me be oh. And he said the fair house. And he said like.
All right, my people. I greet you all with better style. Before I say iye-eki and Dominion are stupid, do not change my mentality not to stand and speak it, say it the way it is. You understand? When I see this woman, when I say for this my laps, for my so this Grace Ashawo, the useless adulterous woman, this woman, with the shirt to toe up and down for Germany. I just think I keep her quiet all these years as one of the dangerous adulterous women. She did her husband house when Solomon sleep with her. Solo, the Infinity Saga, this same woman. Now Infinity Saga and Lash. This was the woman who leaked Infinity Saga identity that year. This same useless woman is one of this. So. You understand? This same woman, last year, a year ago now, iye-eki Dominion husband. Forget if I say this stupid. The time we say I lash this woman, what do they call her? Mommy, let take care lead. That fat fool who did for Spain. When I last Mommy, let take care lead with when he think gas. When we let it carry go, a no give we platform, go they confess.
Like me, now go tell Eke
called
say,
me.
if I not go there,
Let me hear what. Ake called me personally. I know what Ake tell me. I know a lot of secrets concerning this woman and Ike and this woman husband, which the man would not work again. Yes. Everything we are going to talk about, Ike tell me that there was a big questora. I want to collect document. I want to go to print for questora. The very day we are going to print for questora, that was the day where Ake called me concerning this woman. You understand? Ake asked me, say, how far, bro? As a man to man, as guy man to guy man. It say, guy man, how far, bro? When they see all this women, where they carry. But how far? What's the level? How is it the runner? You understand? Give me update. How is it the runner? Now, what thing you ask me? I call they laugh. I say, which one is me and you? They say, bro, I mean, how is it the runner? No only one made the battle. We never see cash yourself. I say, which one is the battle? He said, I'm still presenter like me. I want me to presenter in the battle now. You understand? You say, if you don't book hotel for the woman, the day when the woman come the hotel, his wife come the house. He don't come for us. Which is this girl? You understand? And because who be the woman? He said, you know that one when they do live video. I said, what be and he say, Grace family. I boom, like I don't know who be Grace family. And I say, who be Grace family? And I say, now if I mention Queen, the Queen talkshow, he say no. Becky, he say no. I mentioned many presenters, I say no. He said, who be Grace family? Yeah. He said, you know Grace family. I always they share a video. I say, okay, give one like what they share. He say, I say, he said, that woman we call the saga, I know call the saga. That's okay. You understand? I say, yeah, that's the woman, the husband. He said, yes, the husband, but your husband, your husband, there was a great problem because your husband didn't on the work. Your husband didn't on the work. This same woman, this people said, because that one said, because the date is finished saga. You understand? Because it thrown out. How they call it the find medicine for the husband. This woman, husband, Bola, Batista. That's what I'm going to invite her come. She sit down. Where she listen. You understand? How they call it the find what thing go make the husband Bola the stand. This woman even bring the issue, can't give his wife dominion. They call they discuss on what to do or what to do. It's time. So he enter the woman. So the woman comes okay, no shaking. When they see man no saying get wife for her. So the woman in college for hotel. He can't pay for hotel. They already book hotel for the woman to come. When the woman can't come the hotel now, his wife not go work that day. We be worry. Okay, imagine now. Where I won't wear. How did they do? How did they run now? I call the laugh. For real, I call the laugh. Last year, let the guy did the run now. If you be man, you be man. You know how it is D. It depends on how you take D. You understand? You see, I say because I mean, they see all this way you carry. You understand? Me, you still find anyone to give me. Me still follow up with. I say, brother, I don't find out. If you see woman you like, you go for the woman straight. But me, you be man. You understand? I don't see one beside girl. Every talk about the discussion between me and IK last year about this same woman where they disgrace them. So this woman never they talk her own side though. Now IK dominion, she talk now. No, so let us be frank to ourselves. This is the reason why you see some men, if I make mistake, when I go sleep with Iye-eki, I first saga myself first, but you will sleep with a married woman. You understand? I first saga myself first. You feel me so? Because definitely I'm wrong. You understand me now? So we are for wrong, and let me fish them out. This is where I get them wrong. I felt wear myself with and I wear Iye-eki. You understand? So you know you come on, you call the top dominion. Oh yeah, pa. You were their husband house, when man they toast. You don't tell the man say you their husband house. You understand? You see they give the man ear. Now you come spoil pass. Where net grace worry cold was worry was because iye-eki okpaka or mulawe or toasty way or book hotel way. Yes, a buyer one who you hear your story keke obaya. A gracie. Your story, war. Okay, quoi, mais pas rien. Visiting me, voyez. Okay, quoi. When we are, when it's a guy away, he did this media. I think it's a guy, no, but you know the one. Because of a monetization. West Wisdom must greet you. What all? That won't see. We do what all for you. You understand? Who see you they talk now go say 6 cents? Your husband prick not the work. That one means you carry it for. If you want to leave the man for peace. Who you got Becky the man, eh? You don't use a doctor say by the man prick. Now you find if you find man you want to sleep with. The time where I can share your video, what you connect you and I can share your video. See, very small woman. Now start she dey drink. You go be start to hear at all. You get grace. Or be start in hear at all. Ake amukela wo hear kan we. Ma kan me. E yan pa we tan no e kena wo. You get this done. This small boy kena wo. Is for him to be sleeping with his wife, put you on a call for you to be hearing the wife soundtrack. E wa nya domino na zaga. Domino is your life. O bia no we marry. Ona ho we. Ona mo sa chick. Ona mo you call no down yo. A soundtrack away. What an error. It's on a state of either balance and outside that arrangement. I do my drink. I want you. What are you?
Man, now say for instance, now me and my husband separate. I be single mother or 5. My first son and they go 90 years. Now I say, so you can't carry me. We don't born 5 children. He say no me, so I may get rest of nights. Ah. Now I say, oh, now I can't go meet I can't go meet his wife. I can't see tell her. His wife can't call. He say, Grace, me and my husband, we all they prank you. Now I say, really?
No, now
prank you.
That's me.
Prank.
I'm woman
That's
like
okay.
me.
I don't resist now. Prank me. Say, Grace, you be better person.
But tap your screen, guys. So get more views. Tap your screen. This one I'm pressing to
I'll follow you.
tap your screen and share the live screen, please.
You say Grace, so now I know say you be better person. Upon no my husband try you, you not for put. I dare aware when my husband they try you. I to say as they talk about you for social media. Now so you really be oh. Now I say really. Now I say since you not prank me, thank you for the prank. It can't touch me. It pay me reach my mind. I can't leave that. Not because they talk so they again. I can't block Dominion for his stupidity. As I block him.
Wait, shut up. Now I Afro shop. Now she for the hustle man. For Bayan. Now that this one for the hustle man. For Bayan. Dominion. That way, I can't when I yo ballet to iye-eki. This is a mere coin. Ogun base for national history. Mais non, what you doing you? No ga. Mo na so no. Pade ragbon. Frank na mo say ya ko o dire gbe. Ya mo so se e bi so ta ni bun. Ya ko ya mo so se bi so ta ni bun. Oh God. Afro shop ogaja.
I for this one.
Ewa na also ko no ro go trust woman. Adulterous olosho ni we mu. Odo atalo ebidia. Mr. Henry Universe, I must greet you at all. I'm cool. We are good. You are man. You understand? Bagagbo. Ogun no yen ro wodo. Afro shop ogaja ana e na bian. E wa na ya bian. What all sas on Tina family of Wagwe. Even with Ketokoro Yarayo. You understand? When I see woman, a matter where Warotos is there. I walk way. In a walk way. all your matter, all your if when they give me, I just cover up because you use your 2 hands, drag yourself, come out. And then I can have you come in book hotel, you come the hotel. In wife come there, I see nothing come out for house, come meet you for hotel, come go lash you. If to say I'm a bad person, that I would drag you come out. Because everybody knows you do smart. That I have to drag you come out. But I just think, she see your husband break all the work. Okay, can I men of work at me? So I want to go who we had a view that we not I will hop back. Dog Baby who no guy did really leg. Now I'm not around there because he have a lot of work to do. Oh God.
Me say, me sort the wife. Because the wife, they accuse me, say me I can get something, say we talk about hotel matter. Now say me bring the evidence. Now make me walk on beat and I may bring the evidence. Come and be me I husband for talk about hotel matter. Now me want that ticket they go bring me. Say because of which eke no ma say me rock back. The eke when me they chop, you go fit chest time. My husband here big pass your own.
Okay.
He has big pass your own.
Okay.
Now the eke take about 5 children give am.
Oh.
So what do you want to tell me? What is there? Man, go and the bear.
Okay.
What I want choose the eke do?
Eke
Or you to say before I accept my husband ring, I not see the eke before I carry. Or you to say the shop honor eke. Only one eke when you not feel let get rest of night. Now you want who back to me you only one eke. You not still let this more eke get rest of night. Lala, you not dey let her do anything. If you want to do bed though, you run come out. Who you are native, you know man, where not they fit you. Where your belly come out like hallelujah bands. You see come outside. You see come block the man destiny. May therefore not see and not be you they do better. They watch you and they know your stupidity where you they do. Your nuisance. I know. Now more eke get rest of night. Lala. My husband big pass your own.
Oh yeah, let's go there.
He has big pass your own. Now, as I block him, as they accuse me, say me I can get something, say we talk about hotel matter. Now say me bring the evidence. Now make me walk on beat and I may bring the evidence. Come and be me I husband for talk about hotel matter. Now me want that ticket they go bring me. Say because of which eke no ma say me rock back. The eke when me they chop, you go fit chest time. My husband eke big pass your own.
Okay.
He has big pass your own.
Okay.
As I what do you want to tell me? What is there? Man, go and the bear. My husband eke big pass your own. My husband eke big pass your own. My husband 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 big pass your. My husband big pass your own. 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 My husband big pass your own.
Una listen no.
My husband big pass your own. 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 My husband big pass your own.
Adulterous women in abroad. The rate where women today sleep around their matrimonial home for abroad. It's too much. Wo we are kind of work best like I tell no as soon we grace no agbon igbiagia no godo ni abo lawe gbe asawo ebayan ore aja ebayan ona ozo Unda. Uya ya he. That came my bear you way. I came my boy tell you where ya a kid of work bus like or the phone work ya winner. Uya ya a kid of way or bolos like that came my way. That okay, we little no kia, we little no kia sing your you couldn't follow get the break now, the drag break. They say your husband, I can't big pasta kill. Are you tell to see your husband, I can't big pasta kill? That came when I do it. If your husband, I can't big pasta kill, why the fire can prick? Why not go like a banana here? Why not also got giant? What like not be willing I can knock you now. Your husband, I can't big pasta kill. You go knock solo. Your husband, I can't see big pasta alone. Musalo, I have grace no a shower. A shower, yeah. You see your life. Before I came, come gather my to toast you. I'll get the Ake or Yake ya toast you. Before Mark come to toast you as a married woman, now something lead to that place. Before man come book hotel for you, when you come hotel. If you not give her red, if you not give her green lights, how man go take book hotel for you, may you come meet up for hotel. You understand? So you think say this video what you do now, they don't get on come on green. If I from come on, they won't come hear story. When you disgrace yourself, because those one are stupid animals, they don't go fit tell you the truth about yourself. Say, what do they talk so? Now you they go beat for this media. Even when I say no, when we were what the media now. The forget the fact say dominion get issue with me and your husband. But the truth, I will always say it. And matter, I will always say it. When the grace no war, I'm gonna when no get boy. When you get back up boy, it boy. Ele agbe nya agbo ebi jema o hin asun wo de bro iba ba lawo egbe when we now o pe wa bi no bia what so o so ka kia wa o de you say this Europe and something else o bia no mo go yo suffer le egbo egba ho mo wa still nya o ha Africa show o ya agwale kia o ya afi egwale kia wa agwale kia kia enogi atun ogogo eme ya gbe uwe ho anogi we all do level or ye we o adekele e matter you will not say it because you have one or two issues with that person because why oga ye frack no ba the same thing no get we who if you act there kele matter you will not say it I think what people we had to confess about we frack we they all are wrong but you will not accuse them they are wrong you will always attack from because we go like no I'm fracking but just the way you are still looking for how to hit on IK and the wife. This is the reason why you will not come out and speak the truth. Because you are doing this with another man, and you come out on media and say it with your mouth. Women are not ashamed of themselves because of prostitution. That shower, they are not ashamed. Oh my easy. They thought Joshua gas again. Or you have spirit, you have new spirit. You know Zen, you know so. But if you're a brave family, you're a brave nobody can advise her. That's why you see them become nuisance. They become nuisance. Your husband prick big past IKO. How you say IK prick? Married woman, you know say your husband prick big. What is now your connection? What is now the connectivity between you and IK? If you so much cherish your husband, if you so much love your husband, if you know your husband prick size of the toe, if you know you are contented with your husband prick, what is not the business between you and another man? And they ask you, what is not the business between you and another man? Many of you are coming, oh, you want monetization. Go to Facebook, go share Facebook, you are looking for man prick. I was so. You know, I know many people who use this Facebook of a thing, they not bring down. Go on Facebook, go on. Epadama, Ekia wa gwa lokia. Epadama sa we wa ye. No ga ga to ta. Ile keni wo so. Mo se ke yoro e o do ga buya ga wasara to. Mo ga yi mo na kedi. Ho do ikebe ye gwa. Oye gege ho ikebe no kwa. Oye avu wo. Ikwe nita. O ya gele na kedo wo ma ni wa ya si ade to tara e bisiri to wen. Ijo no mu ki ya dominion ma ti eyin, ma ti me ko no bie. Why they go to get oh salo? Why it's your way? Bo then or you know Shira. Get Shira no mukia then. Or give me a who then we are choose Ake. Give me a who then we are choose as a wife. Make a who no way face like a separate dinner. Our first dinner in low. It's your wife is. He do face like what they use it, people not in your face. They all renew Then I renew document. They want renew people's. She still renew people's in her face. Or what renew people's in your face. Again, if people get clear, I mean the face are clean. Even with white ladder or mark white, black or black, organic or mark clean. What is your wife problem? Or the problem of who over now? They were hey, will you go when I came? But you how you go or a face where and Nigeria they are not the same thing. Don't let the what happens to a face of the winner happen to you. A face of where you know if possible turubu it's the same thing. A face of when and Okperu community they are the same thing. When for how many years now? Your face now, your wife face now is not the same thing as Nigeria face. Your wife face now is not the same thing as a state government. No government will they come with if they work on that, with if they change that. Your wife friend from Oka or case on where Kiadi. No can we have Oka if it's a much change. You or you say we bun make a we must change that. You know, yeah, my picture now Nigeria day. Whatever is when I roughing, but remain me must see. At least I change the book away. Over everybody they change. Your wife your wife face now all of it. Or use a car of white or white man white, or use a car of black man black, organic man cream, organic nation man nation. What is the problem? We are warning on that. We feel so when I take clip again. Tell us when you come on Facebook. If it's when it's finished, it's gone. Is your wife is going without saying goodbye. Who the one that I kill her? When we him on it twin. They always feel oppressed. Hey, tu me veux pour le my brother. On va give me le point. On va give me le point. Hey, tu me veux twin. You know, women are to it when they feel oppressed with height and everything. And they want to it, like now. They like money in it. They don't want to go. They want to go for their actions of the big thing. The moment, we have not one big thing. The moment, one is 20. It like a big thing. With that one. So when we hear oh, tell it. He's where we are. Una mono ya wa VF. IVF in my video. He's a low boy. Anyway, the desperado. Amico. Gumendo, brother. The person's up. I can quit beer. Or senior woman, one going to go beer. That means my debut. I will not. My debut will not see when what it will not have your May 20 then, be me 16 then. It will not walk here with water with a water. How can you still a small boy? We are even one. Do not get the million or my dear, what is wrong for? So, we know. Yes, sir. Why goes a lot of people in a beer and maybe money? Only your wedding, my son. And Dominic will bet your movie. A Yahweh woman. So now they got you. You can quietly make it official to your wife. You understand? Since you don't want to leave your wife, you love your wife. Make it. I'll give you advice now as a friend. Make it official to your wife. You understand? Work the beg. Money. Give my child, man. Quality. Need dating young girl or a Korean girl you bet to be me. Understand? You can be doing it. If not, as a man, you can quietly, secretly have another woman. Let that woman understand where you are a married man. You understand? This is what you want, and you are going to make her happy as soon as things goes on. You understand? So do it quietly because when you don't mean it, you know what I mean? All face we now like and separate it. You understand? Eto ma wow there. But one thing, Ogwa preserve that way. On love, you know. That's what was war. But I must say what I observed about this woman. We do face like shit. So she's a very loving, with the love. She loves her. She love with all her heart, and she respects her love. She respects the man she fall in love with. That's one thing I'll just observe about her. It is when you're not taking her for granted, she will not show herself. You will not see the beast in her. Now, when they quickly bring out the beast in her. She's not a kind of patient woman. She's not a patient woman. I don't know be patient. She's the woman that when she see any mistake, she goes spark. She see any mistake, she goes spark. But if she love with everything what she gets. She feel use her life serve you. She feel use her money, her resources, everything to serve you. That's dominion for you. But unfortunately, I don't know what happened to her face. Her face not good for head. And she don't really know see. Let me see how she did so she package. She not go see man, but because of IK and other social media things, nobody will take her serious. They're going to fuck her away. So that's the reason why she just decided to cope and keep herself with this biscuit bone. You understand? This biscuit bone, what you see, so bueno, but évident, une mieux hein. Não é twin, you know, called Ogbaso. Understand? Ogbaso. E domino nana, ogili wa we my cake where. But I can't go to my business now. This biscuit bone, I wear ruto. You can wear it's very far. Oh sorry. O mi no yo win ai. O mi no da win ada. O mi no win ane. Then the domino na o domino wa gesha o ina ko na we ko wa but o ja we no one side. Up no see akere. This all this Jay-Z egbe no wa van no wa zo no. Ite bo no na you know. O see akere ni tete. Again na ka yi TikTok ya gwal ikuya. Again no na see akere. A lot of shit, a lot of shame and disgrace na ke iri ge. Dominion you be a week be that way amarine ariod and don't my sister arena what to do no ma eri no ma obama aya to the one ji you understand o eri ma hari mi pe agbon we ipe no hian we bi kun fo ami pe no hian we dolo he yi kun ro hari mi yan iro e o se na mi we dominion na yo ya go e ake you understand we are ake na o bi ma kere no e mu aka abo go e ri o. You understand? And when I got go on the I got die. I'm a man. You understand? But to my girl, who best you? Who best you? As in my coa da fe no ta no now. Best you. Who best you? O goge na grade 15. Or you na high full 17 Pro Max. Who best you na? You know ya gia. You know, gia kia be bayan, you put na gia kia be bayan. It's to the other war. You know, gia kia. A grace, you say that about when okay that way ya go. To time media, do my hammer and dominion where I can we care that way guna. To time social media. But one time I will no give no a video now. One time I will no give. One time here. Because you believe that we're going to support you to beat IK and Dominion. That's not how the thing work, bro. It is not how the thing work. Not bad. But you don't take them when I'm matter in your way. Or when I'm oh, you think we're Talone? I do a back it. It no get no no money why I see I. It don't mean you must working no give. Or you're not a serious boss. You can never Iye-Nora is a nuisance. Iye-Nora is a nuisance. Ozene ake do that dominion. E no get do that Iye-Nora up we for the tete. Iye-Nora is a nuisance. A big one that matter. Okono ho na okono bia okpe do okpe sesesi na hia ati you how Iye-Nora. Okono Jesus Christ okoda bia no omoda bia no. Where when I can azua a dominion wa na okwesi okono ru pon border for wo wa no. It's just that a dominion boy or why in the sense They are reporting my video. Can you imagine this? Please forget man. They report a whole my video. A whole man about this man. They report my video. They want to bring my video down. Can you imagine? This is for no man. Why me as social media guy going to my video button? Supposed to know where this guy is too powerful. You're supposed to understand.
They thought say I kill. He said Domino don't travel come off for he dey fan house. Now prank you call
Screen. This one I press it up. Double tap your screen.
He said no problem. Now I say how you want person they find the house if you there your one you cut they look your pikin. He said that will not be problem. So family I see the house for her. Now cut that say okay no wahala. Now call Dominion. I say better person why be oh. Why take the like better person? Now call Dominion say your husband not they let me be oh. And he said they find house. And he said like me. Now I can say if I not come there with man now say for instance now me and my husband separate I be single mother or 5. My first son and they go 90 years. Now I say so you can't carry me wait not born 5 children. He said no me so family get rest of night. Now so
first already good night.
now I can't go meet I can't go meet his wife. I can't tell her. His wife won't talk oh. His wife can't go. He say Grace. Me and my husband you prank you. Now I say really? Now prank you call her. Prank. That's okay. I don't resist na prank me. Say Grace be better person.
Double tap your screen, guys, to get more views. Double tap your screen. This one I press it up. Double tap your screen and share the live screen, please.
Say Grace so now no say you be better person. Upon no my husband try you not for put. I dare aware when my husband they try you. And to say as they talk about you for social media. Now so you really be oh. Now say really, now say since you na prank me, thank you for the prank. Titi can't touch me. Titi pay me, reach my mind. I can't leave that. Not cause they talk to the again. I even can't block Dominion for his stupidity. As I block him, small time I can call they call me say me insult his wife. Because his wife they accuse me say me I can get something say we talk about hotel matter. Now say may bring the evidence. Now make me walk on beat and I may bring the evidence. Come and be me I husband for talk about hotel matter. Now me want that ticket they go Bremen. Say because of which eki no ma say me rock back. The eki when me they chop, you go fit chest time.
That hotel is not true. And people don't know why I say that hotel matter not true. When I don't go talk with they go a year and many months now. It should be a year and 3 months now. A year and 3 months or 4 months now. Now I can't tell me what I hotel. See, this guy, he lodged this before hotel. For their city for Bremen. This guy flew all the way from Bayern to come Bremen. Come see iye-eki. I can lodge up for hotel. Unfortunately, that day when this guy come, when he did the hotel, this woman so not go work. So what iye-eki want tell you what saying they go. You understand? So that was the excuse why I cannot come for her. This one called a call. I called to iye-eki. I know the show. I know the there. You understand? I know there. I was iye-eki tell me. I was there. But this one the husband house. That was what I told iye-eki. I said, iye-eki, but this one the husband house now. Nobody do things with this one with the husband. He said, my guy, say the husband prick on the work. Say a big quarrel for us. Every time they fight for us and they quarrel. You understand? People go involve the whether this game or one, whether this game or the husband or one. You understand? So the husband don't you understand? Say the husband prick on the work. You understand? See the husband bullet on the work. No, not get the woman picture, not get the woman picture. Now iye-eki and your wife, now I'm just there. You understand? So not get the woman picture. You understand? This woman, that's why I take give me info about her. Say, bro, nobody just wants you. The woman just sit there, you know, has to want to teach up on normal level. I say, guy man, you know, I say, guy man, we dey rapport. That's why they part of Ike when I call it Zuo. Call it Zuo, they support Monica. Man like you, they do boy, they follow Monica. I just look and I say, this one was Zuo, not guesses. You know, if you build your own platform, build your own terrain, build your own fans, get your own lovers. We will love you genuinely than be on that woman. You know, they praise one woman, a man. Praise worship who instead of women to worship you, now you worship woman. What I mean, only I cannot. I blame Dominion. If they worship Monica, I don't get issue with Dominion for real. Me, I don't get issue with Dominion. Dominion they worship Monica. It's not my business. These are women things. Understand? That don't concern me. Now women to women things. It's not just like my wife. My wife obviously get one female presenter we just still like. We just defend that. No one are women things. But me as a man, being loyal, being the worship woman for abroad, when women are supposed to worship me as a man, as the head of the family, it means I'm not stupid. I don't get sense like that now. You understand? This mugu will not get sense. This all there. So Bunty open his mouth to insult me because of Monica. Like seriously? When Monica they do something negatively, something wrong, and I correct Monica, this all Zuo come and call it insult me. Not only insult me. He said my own wife where you the talk, we say that better person, a good person, you can be mad, you can be one. He said me you can be because of Monica. You can be never insult Monica. Because of Monica, you said they insult you, Mark Kevin. This idiot. So they insult my wife. And then they look and say, what the boy now? Then they come and that day they come and say that one of my family, your God will punish that your family where I carry come that day. You understand? This was Zuo, I kid on Zuo, no name why now. Why be game now? Game we are big game. We are like big game now. Also, we might be a big. That's what I say. Frank now, rugged man. Me, I don't give a fuck with this bloody woman. We don't misbehave. All the women where I lash, if they come out like this, we want. Okay, I mean, no, you mean not breathe smoke now? Oh, go bass me. Since morning, when this guy do this, yesterday, I don't blast her from the beginning to our end. It be black and blue, ne? It be black and blue, not Zuo. Not rich. Not rich. That's what I say, Frank. Why equal? Equal can fully be a media. When you do wake up, when you wake up, for you to be loyal, be ashamed of yourself. Then you come on media, be talking anyhow, talking at the blackado. You're going to join the people where you get problem with, so that they go join you competent. Now this kind of fight, now they like fight. Quand nous avons des problèmes, nous avons bouillé les bouillés, because nous voyons bouillé et nous voyons un dozen et nous voyons aucun was is okay. You understand? Do my hair. Let me introduce a nugget to you. Larry Grace Family TV. Because you don't know. Somebody have to make you know. You don't know. Somebody have to make you know. You don't know. Somebody have to make you know. You don't know. That's the truth. You don't know. Understand? If you don't know, somebody have to make you know. Listen. Okay. Okay.
Aye, my mother will worry you again. I can't obey my man.
Okay.
I can't obey my man.
Lazy man. Exactly.
No document for lazy man. Me what agree. Wait, the document on me. Or say me now we me una. Get document.
No one go hospital.
Hospital boy.
No one go school.
One no can me na me. Mo na ask her say, where me from now? One where did they not just see you? Check. Holland, Romania, Albanese. Wokpa. After you don't go everywhere. Ina we don't want Oswala. Now we you wa.
Oh, fuck is sweet, man.
Well, wa wa say na mo Oswala mu you wa wa. Iba bo la we gbe. Aye ma mo me o wa we ni gbe. Ah ke ogbe ma na.
Ya ma wo ni wa o.
Ah ke ogbe ma na. Ya bo la we. Eh gbogbo ye kan na ye church.
No document for lazy man. Exactly.
No document.
Oh.
Yeah, big pass your own.
Eh.
He has big pass your own.
Okay.
Now the eki buffet me. What is that? This now make me want. He has big pass your own. We shake eki no ma say me rockpa. The eki when me dey chop, you go fit chest am. Now my eki big pass your own.
You don't chop ake una.
He has big pass your own.
You don't chop ake.
Now the eki born 5 children give am.
She has said it.
So, what do you want to tell me? What is that there? Man, go and get the bear.
Oh.
What I want choose the ekia do?
Eke teddy bear type.
Oh, you just said before I accept my husband ring, I not see the ekia before I carry. Or you just said the shop honor ekia.
Listen.
Only one ekia when you not feel let get rest of night. Now you want who back. Don't mean you only one ekia. You not still let this small ekia get rest of night.
Oh.
Lala, you not dey let her do anything. If you want to do better, you run come out. You are native, you know, mama. We not dey fit you. Where your belly come out like hallelujah bands.
Oh.
You see come outside. You see come block the man destiny.
Oh.
Make them for not see and not be you they do better. They watch you. They know your stupidity where you they do. Your nuisance.
See jealous you go.
I know. Now. Now, Dominion come they say, we not got the touch for 3 good months. We not the
Okay. I don't say they watch me. I don't see your comment just now. I see your comment. I don't say they watch me. Okay, I want to ask you a question. Come. I'll give you this opportunity to make a call. I want to ask you a question. Okay, Peter. I don't say they watch me. Okay, Larry. TV, come in. That's why I never block. I don't know whether I don't block. I don't block you. Let me say I block me. I will pull you. Okay, you don't even get phone to call. That's the problem. See, police just use on your phone. You don't get phone to call. That's not problem. But you know if you call now, but down here, if you feel right now, right have a conversation. Now, for you to watch me now, you must get phone to call. I've been on laptop for you watch me. If not for you to call. If not for you to watch me, call me. If not before sit on laptop, make an answer because you're right now for the conversation. I can my guy. That's why I use this person, but never call you my guy, call you my guy. Offer. How did they blow this game? What do you take with to blow this game? Come on, because this one with this game they cry. So this one you're not a clear eye. What was the level? What do you take knock this game? I want to hear. You need to tell people because this game, what did you come for this game, man? Bro, you don't tell me so you never knock this game. This game don't blow up. I know. Because the rate is getting vest for your wife now. It's not a vest for you, bro. See, if you watch this guy video yesterday, this guy don't get issue with you at all. This guy they paddle with your woman. You want to let your woman speak now. He cruise. Why he will tie you for his ass? You didn't understand? Bro, what did they saw? I didn't knock this guy. What you didn't knock this guy? You knock what's not good for this guy brain. You knock what's not good. Come for this woman brain. When this woman cry. What's the girls for us? Oh God, our brother, yeah, please. Hey, woman will get husband for us. Woman will get husband for us. He dey cry for another man, another woman prick. He dey beat the woman because of your husband. No, you don't understand? Just the same thing they do to my wife. Or this is my ex-girlfriend. Because I married my wife. Why did they beat my wife? Because I married my wife. Oh, this small pink cap where I carry. Just this small pink cap. Very dangerous pink cap. Very, very dangerous. You see all these people with shorts. All these short niggas. They are very dangerous in bed. Be careful. No, yes, for you. After I continue to play this one, when I go peace for us, many of them go wet. If I play this finish, I go wet too. Whenever you hear screaming, now go hear screaming, screaming. Share this video, like this, screaming. There is audio. They're screaming. What update? Wait, when they flash here. What updates? You never hear what? You better not come down. What update travel? You travel, you just come down soon. It's that. And okay, what update you tell what? A flight in you see, you understand? A flight like this is, they come down and they go ass. What of this? The man understand the iye-eki now. You know, the woman now. Iye-eki, what do I explain? Iye-eki need to explain. Iye-eki, you need to give us explanation. Then you ask the woman, they dog you. Why the woman? You knock this one with no good for body. Iye-eki, what here? This is not a funny matter. Iye-eki, you are laughing. This is not a funny matter. Why the woman here? The woman now, you know, was so now. What is her problem? How can you be the saga woman with get husband? Now the woman get your husband. What's it be your own husband? You don't use adulterous take by the husband prick. You don't get a kid of wedding. A kid of wedding you win and he's away. Okay, I can the dog moon where be woman I the woman was so now and so or in was so Jesus. Oh Epa, this one when you talk so now you will go beat her. If you think say we'll go beat her, iye-eki or beat Dominion. See, if Dominion will get issue with anybody, will beat Dominion no matter grand. But for this one where they have to so what you they do now you be the shameless woman so far would ever succeed. You are the shameless woman so far. We would ever see who are. When no water. What will you kill your baby? You are giving the experiment of another man prick. That means it can win. I do always Zua. And Dominion why go. Dominion won't judge you know Dominion police night or police night. Police really or the don't via phone. Dominion my nick bay. That can have a bear or can't bear or some of the police no I get to wear the remember Babylon. You understand? But for this your own saga. Or I'm iye-eki. Yeah, boy, be talking my well. You could insult my wife. They don't point you way. 200% they don't point you way. For you to the trauma to my wife. I'm a Beyonce. Iye-eki, woman, I'm coming back for you. Woman, Iye-eki, woman, ya boy, be talking my way. Woman, no yaro you okunwe go your okunwe we marriage with Germany, the Bremen. Woman, I go to beat you. Not be joke. I go to saga you for this media. I will be media. For this one to be insulting your wife, or how they useless. And your wife, anybody can insult your wife, but not be your side chick. Can't beat your own woman. That one it's an error. They don't point that woman. We won't bokoni. Your side chick, no dread, no iye-eki way. Although a big woman way media. My guy, go for one though. You don't know what facing like an answer. Cannot win. If you see, you don't need to carry eyelash. See your eyelash. See your eyelash now feel so. Don't need to carry eyelash. Come saga your fellow woman now. I want to see this end of this fight. One nice. Every damn niggas about secret about this Viola they because a woman or when the matter it don't take what this woman in my hand since 1 year ago. This woman, the woman I keep in okay rare since 1 year ago. Then this woman told me I never bust down one day. I never bust down. Assassin using your hand to carry himself come out now. And listen to her yesterday. I see as stupidity out of jealousy. What's the word now? Jealousy. She's jealous of Dominion and iye-eki. You go say native. You go not go do better. Not begin to do better. You're not going to do better. You need to cover that. Hello. He understand. He was so jealous. odere. It is to know we my guy. It is to know we now. Don't know where. He husband do better. They saw the same native, the same uniform. What do you expect, my people? My children they do better. They buy the same shirts. You can one my wife. Which better be the one? Not my last better will do. No, my birthday, my own birthday. Me and my son birthday. With all of us wear the same polo. All of us wear the same polo with right up on it. Father and son, wear the same polo. The other birthday, the same thing, wear the same polo. They will put our picture. They will place our picture on the polo. You understand? So which one can't be he will gain you? What he can wear no when they say chicken, I do it. I have dodgy way. Now his wife do not know. I took your constant calling, your constant write up. Let me give wife what they know. Now so my wife says they catch me on. Catch me for one. My nanny again. I go pause. My God, very big. My wife catch me one day. Also, you need that way you go take your wife will catch you. You understand? You do love our body. Before we judge another person, we still judge ourselves one kind. Because that's my only me. My only me with my guy. Or very my guy. But like no, it's such a way to have both can wear. Then that means that you give her that leg. Now you will give her that leg for your side chick to be humiliating your wife on social media. My guy, I know the taker more. I know the taker for many side chick or any woman. Or come on, you understand? If you should date between them, someone is out. Can't bring her on media. Can't insult the first wife for us. That's totally bad. It's sad. Can't be Jesus Christ to hell with you. To bloody fucking hell with you and your son. You understand? Respect is reciprocal. O to akemi utowa. Abanamato, I have no tower. You understand? So all tower, all you're gonna talk because of I'm the so you have to respect the wife at all. That's why I tell you rubbish with the way it's war. I shall go move. I'm your way.
Talk, I can't leave her because the accusation got it too much. Now only way me I can you see for a pa birthday. Only that day. I can say not the gay self again. You wife just a shot say, since my husband see you, Grace. My husband not the gay of men again. I saw you can so good. You gay of men again. I say he I not give your husband anything. Only man.
No, like the video. Share the video.
The gay of men again.
I share video.
Like seriously, now I beg come out from my
WhatsApp.
They go. Now I say Dominion, I they want you. If you try this nonsense, come my WhatsApp again. Come insult me. Now I say I go bring you come out. Now I can hear the matter. I can call the beg. Say don't do. The thing called the vex my husband. I say you see people where you say you carry put for a see say the way where they use you anyhow for inside WhatsApp. You know they hear me. You stay clear for them. Dominion. Now you una cause them not get say they collect money from my hand. It not reach 3 months. Now your husband cry come meet me say, hey, I beg go in need apple. Now I can cry come meet me. Oh, you wait they post pass your husband. Wait, don't pass your own husband. Me what can tell you now you useless. I do not become woman for yeah your man there. Your man they cry for another small money where you want to do something. He say you not see money give her. A woman gay. He say you not see money give her. Now me cry come meet. Oh, now then when you want to laugh me say I use money beg your husband. He cry come meet me say he need money, may you borrow money. You not see give her. Now he come meet me. He not yene. Another €300 when my maid yene. And you call yourself a dogu. You say they work. You are a classic woman. Borrow if you are like that. I want to belong. Husband, when you did say he pass person. Now I go see that day. On my seven, you not reach me carry go up. But hey, daddy, I beg, daddy, they. You not reach me carry go up. Now that one, you see the point time for my husband. Make sure come for your hair. You want me to mash you? Me they ask you. You want me to mash you? They say husband na husband. Now you the drag person. Oh. You defend my husband, Ekia. Or you don't hear and say my husband they do vaga people women. If you get any woman when my husband don't do vaga, bring her commerce when I even one. Yes, bring her at Bejo. He say hotel when you na for there. The hotel, he say na there you call her they come. Na there they do the Zeyo. And a dominion ruwa. Ukekwa. Dominion. You roti. Now you want to talk to me. You will not give that a rest of night for his ass. Because say you give her paper, you not even let her breathe. Now you WhatsApp with the check. Who now with your ballet bene. Last 2 weeks where the matter happen. You go call police, give your husband for his house. I hear everything. I can use the matter can come and say police sees the 2 phone. Okay. Last 2 weeks, yeah.
Last 2 weeks.
Now they see I can 2 phone. Hey, Dominic here. You went nothing dollar where she. Who do I go dressing one? See you. Oh, yes, so with the quarter banner, they bring my husband out. Gabu where? You go. Police collect your husband phone. Police. He collect your husband 2 phone. The season. Last 2 weeks for year. So say now you come the pick a call. Call they sort me say Grace. What there? Grace. I go saga you now say oh yeah. Bring the saga on. Bring the saga come outside. Now what I tell you? What you all use is there when you not bring the saga. If they prepare you for body, you not fit bring the saga on. If not big people wait, they beg, say more, may I let him matter. Calm down. I don't want to measure person name for you. If not, you are a boy. I for don't even bring you commerces then. You see as your temper puts you into trouble, I go zazan you for this social media. Not be I tell you anybody that talk to me, I go come for you. Not be say that I go come.
Hello, Dad.
Oh yeah.
Assalamu
Ayo sir.
Yes, Epa.
Yeah.
Live video.
I know.
But live video.
No wala. I'm not the speaker. I want to talk to you. You hear me so?
Okay, I did live video.
No either. No, because me I did live video too.
Okay.
I did live no either.
Okay. How hear you?
Okay. The reason why I call you now because of you and your video they do, you and DJ Wisdom, DJ Chris, and the family. Let me call you. I come to your house last time to come settle you, not just you alone, not just DJ Chris alone. The entire anybody will get issues.
Daddy, will fit all this for offline?
No, we're not talking offline. Because I did invest for you. We're not talking offline. Nobody will not talk offline. If I come your house, respect me, and everybody within that city, give me that respect. They come your house, I beg them to make peace. Ever since they make peace with you, you they do video, they insult the Chris, they insult the family all the time. Each video you do, who are insulting you, you are disrespecting me. If I be your father, they say, hold on. But I say this thing, not do this thing again. The key way respect Papa, go say because of my father, I will not do this thing again. And he go see this time. He go give me courage to really be bold and proud of you as my daughter. Don't be say I go tell you say, oh, you go still continue the doing they do it continuously. Then which kind of father come be to you? Is that not disrespect? If you respect me as a father, and I'm your father, I tell you, say, this thing, stay away from this thing, and you stay away from it. I don't feel born Becky, we're going to disrespect me. Becky will say I'm going to talk to, you're not going to take my advice. It means I'm not man enough to be a father to you. If you take me as a father, when I tell you, say, this thing, stay away, and let it be so. And as I talk to you now, from today, if I see you say you insult those family again, I know you'll get help with me. You did hear me now? Let this be the first and the last time you go insult the Christ and the family again. Stay clear from that family from today. It's an order. I know they beg you. It's an order. I don't want to hear you insult them again. Be a woman, be responsible, and do other content. Leave this family alone. I will tell you, say, they be my family. Be relate. That in wife, mama, na my auntie. We are from the same village. If you work on website, Gani, or TV men, why would you go away? You go away, so more, Uriye. Even if you know who you are, you just say that they give me money or they bribe me. I have the mother's number. And not be just going, my be just going. I don't think you may take my word. Let this one be the first and last. We are going to talk to you about those family again. You dey hear me so? You hear waiting at the talk?
I hear you, Daddy.
It's okay. Where my children?
They don't go school.
What? Off with me. We are going to do your video. All right. All right.
So I get for like the six police. So then now you don't see rock on my side. Problem don't tell your ass today now. 2 days ago, problem tell your ass. Now you go post me and my husband picture for public. For her side. Yes. You know they let him man.
This right top we put for top, remove when they cover it big belly and the pere mount.
Okay.
You say pere.
Oh, come on, son.
So I say make now ni boy.
I don't know. Okay.
Remove the right top.
So the reason why we don't get problems is 4 good months. We know the talk. Everybody don't match guards. Everybody tell you, oh, this is nyanya the way you they see for years so. Where be like who they suck prick. If to say they suck I can prick now, not sure say go behave like this.
Hey.
I don't know. Wait till you they drag grace for.
Voila.
You not go ask Ike wait till Ike see for my body. Or the hotel, you know, can I come outside? Carry the hotel come out. Or the screenshot when me and for evil chat. Umana mwela I go they give her to you woto. Every time. That your toto where I can say not they let you they knock you, not they give her. After I can don't disgrace you finish. Say you not they get chance. You go say your body don't tire. You not they give her anything. They call me midnight.
What?
As you see all these people useless rich. Because I don't tell Dominion say why you not they give that toto? Why? Ake they complain say you not they give her away. Your way will not see good way see they manage say you not they give her. Nah. For inside that the same midnight, 2 of them call me for phone. Nah I cannot buy. I call Pican. I see say 2 of them they do like say that they knock. For inside the call.
Well, at least you know.
I pick phone for midnight to around 11 o'clock. Now say me I know what the apple I be it doesn't set. He say I can't hear say table they make. Now I say quarry. And me now your focus I on my phone down. na people why say make I settle, make them not dey quarrel, but wife wan put her for my body. Say na me dey cause na your husband not dey comot eye for my body. Not be you go culture your husband make comot eye for woman body. I see say for midnight, they knock, they do. Me I queer. I see say the woman they say daddy. Then your bad one make they come, make they see now say the woman don't they give her to after una don full na say finish. Na me una wan call they use they do caricature. Nah, see say for night daddy la wo only said daddy la wo this useless people. Daddy la wo only say daddy la wo only say daddy Umenwan. Na so this husband they tell her they tell her say Gyaruwaga mo go inside chair mo go finish her for chair. They tell her say go inside chair. They go finish the knacking. Oh, daddy big woman there. Oh, daddy send me daddy send me big woman there, daddy. And this is they go and see they do pa. After that, people go say married woman they listen to that. What you want me I do? I no listening.
Okay.
You all do pa. Now, cause he say, he don't they pass 1 hour, 2 hours, they still they knock. Now I say this one not be knock again. This one na to come the leg raise they no say Isabi Jaka Dominion they give her to. As I look out, I see say 2 hours they go, 3 hours they go. You see the shout, daddy say me daddy big woman, daddy say me daddy la wo, daddy Umenwan, daddy, and I can see they do. Now from there, I can't say the thing don't they go 2 hours. Now I can cut the call. I not cut talk again. They can't break call. Now I can call. I can say, why you they knock your wife? They put her for call. Me another woman the year. Why? Now I say that means if you carry your wife. Now I say that means you fit carry your wife, pay pussy put for outside, go show another person. Now I say, but that's not good. He say not be real knack. Now I say, if you don't know real knack or not real knack, you're not supposed to call person for midnight like that. Another woman made the year how you take the knack your wife for inside phone. Now so I can't happen from that day go. Dominion. I mind my business. In my business, Dominion, you sit down, he just go call. He go make.
Can imagine the nonsense. Okay, come here. A very stupid man for real. A very, very stupid one to be called a call. If na real, say you did last your woman, you put this woman for call. My brother, I know you are a very useless man. You are the most useless man I've ever seen so far. Unless it's a plan work between you and your woman. If it's a plan work, you not get issue, my brother. But if now real, say your woman don't know, parameter your woman don't know, you call your ex or you call your side chick, put your side chick on call, they whip your woman. Make them want to hear, or because you want shoot on and say you did knock. Come madam, come you, Asaboro come. Tell me, swear, use your life, they swear, say, as you hear, daddy, I don't tire, daddy, daddy, one year, daddy, valor, daddy, king, daddy, Umenwan, daddy, Abalo, daddy, Salewa, daddy, Dominion, why is Zua Dominion? Daddy, where you scream, what a local woman, a locality. So, in where I was, money carrying that affected. Do what you scream do they use behind the screen? Daddy, oh God, came who? Now what did daddy? You scream again. Mommy, what is on this? Daddy, 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 I'm here, daddy, I'm here, oh daddy, I'm here. Hey, daddy is hello. My God, you know, so fucking women for this abroad. I lie. I'm gonna go to go. Jesus Christ, give me soundtrack like, oh, baby. You know if you call me baby, you know if you call me darling. Oh my beautiful wife. Oh God. My wife, you look at it. Go say, well, channel. Oh, mommy. I can't. You don't shout mommy. I said, shout daddy. You want to shout mommy. Oh, yeah, you where, mommy. Webo. If you have your webo. Oh, daddy. Oh, daddy, go, daddy, kill you, daddy. Don't remind Dominion. Dominion say soundtrack wherever a guy, a local woman, very local chappy. That won't job you. Dominion a guy. It won't be local. Dominion. Daddy will ask him. I can't have a door. I can you a dormer. Why do you think woman not change the soundtrack? You know where daddy. Hello. Alpha. Yeah. How's it, buddy? Yeah. Yeah. That's it, buddy. All right. Daddy. No. You deal with your woman, they bug your woman for 2 hours according to Dominion and Grace. You put Grace for call. Make you listen to your woman's soundtrack. Make you listen to how you knock your woman. This is totally an error. First. That for iye-eki. Now, iye-eki, that one for your own. But that Grace, shift closer. Now, people want to sit down. We could talk about Grace. Grace, according to you, so you are a married woman. The husband has. You understand? The husband has. Woman with the husband has. 2 o'clock for night, or 3 o'clock for night, or 1 o'clock for night, or 12 o'clock for night. You daylight with a man that is toasting you. One of the list, you know, if you the word that is already so yeah, the woman who are set as useless as this Grace. A married woman who get wife. You see the two stupid couple with their platform. And no girl and the wife, they all scream now. When they took this rush, rubbish they come up, man. And no girl and the wife, they all scream. But they could not ask you a very vital question because they don't get sense. Could not follow, the two of them not get sense. The point where they're supposed to ask the question, the drop they come up with mouth. Now, how can you, Grace? You say you are a married woman, and no girl where Uro wodo. Unare call with a toaster of yours who is married with his wife. The both of them are on sex. You were listening. You listened to couples for 2 hours. Where were your husband? You know, I keep your way. I make a round figure. Where were your husband? When you were on call with your toaster for 2 good hours, what happens to your husband? You drug your husband. Were you in the same room with your husband? Where were your husband? When you are listening to sex videos, the man, what was happening? Were you fingering yourself? Were you fingering yourself? Were you using their soundtrack to come? Tell the world apart. See adulterous issue? Do you even know the meaning of adulterous? Even you hearing that sound, focusly, dedicating your heart to that sound alone, you have committed a sacrilege. That's an abomination. According to custom and tradition, Ugay, my sister. The word that comes up for your mouth now, what you do with her? Ugay. You're an adulterous woman. Hello? Are you this?